How to add animated gradient overlay effect in Premiere Pro. With the rectangle tool, click and drag in the preview to create a rectangle. Now from Window menu, open up Essential Graphic Panel. Click on these two buttons to center it horizontally and vertically. Click on the fill color and from drop down choose Linear Gradient. Click on the starting color and choose the color you like. Click on the ending color and choose another color you like. You can click to add more colors, but I only need 2 colors. Now increase the scale to 250. Adjust the duration of the rectangle to match your video length. With the rectangle selected, open up Effect Controls panel and set Blend Mode to Soft Light. Now we have this nice gradient overlay, but we can animate it. Move the playhead to the start and click on the stopwatch next to rotation to create a starting keyframe. Move the playhead to the end and increase rotation to create the second keyframe. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.